JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you buy a watch from JazzTime.com. Today we're going to review and compare the two Datejust. On my left is the Rolex Datejust 41, reference 116300, and on the right is Rolex Datejust 36, 126200. Both are silver index and both are on Oyster. So we're going to talk about the case, the bezel, the dial, the movement, the bracelet. So diving right in, let's talk about the case. The case on the Datejust 41 to the left is 41 millimeters, going from thumb to index, and the Datejust 36 is 36 millimeters from my thumb to index. If you look at them side by side, you'll notice that obviously the one on the left is bigger, but that's not the full story. If you look here, what else do you notice? If you put them side by side, you'll also see that the lugs, meaning where the bracelet connects with the case, is fatter. Well, naturally it would be fatter on the Datejust 41, but you'll also know that the proportions are fatter. By proportions, I mean the percentage of the space filled by the lugs on the Datejust 41 is bigger than it is on the 36. The Datejust 41 was produced and stopped being produced around 2016 or 17, and the Datejust 36 on the right is a 2019 model. So in 2019 they slimmed down the lugs being these things right here, and it makes for a much nicer look. Moving on to the bezel, you'll see also that the bezel here on the Datejust 41 is actually a smooth bezel. What do I mean by that? If you look at it carefully, you'll notice that the bezel itself is smooth. It's not actually domed. Now look at the Datejust 36 on the right. It's actually domed. What does that mean by that? It has a curvature like this. On the Datejust 41 is flat. That's why it's called domed. I'm sorry, that's why it's called smooth, not domed. So Datejust 36, domed. Datejust 41, smooth. Make sense? Now moving on to the dial, they're both silver index, but you'll notice that the Datejust 41 on the left has really fat hour markers. Now I suppose that's really good if you're looking at it at night, right? But it makes it kind of funky looking. See, you look at the Datejust 41. You see how fat those hour markers are? Well, Rolex has decided that that's not what they're looking for. They want to make it skinnier, more proportional. So they've slimmed it down. Do you see proportionally? Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, moving on to the bracelet. The bracelet is essentially the same, except obviously one is, let you see it side by side. They actually pretty much look the same. In fact, actually they do look the same. Okay. Now, going on to the movement on the Datejust 41 is using the older 3135 movement, and it has a 48-hour power reserve, but the one on the right has a 70-hour power reserve, and it's more accurate. So if you've been wearing this big one for a long time, a lot of people are changing to the slimmer watches. So I'm going to try this on. In fact, the reason why we have this is because customer had traded his old clunker, this Datejust 41, which he thought was really cool, but he realized, well, I actually want a skinnier watch because the trend is not toward fat watches anymore. So if you'd like to upgrade your watch and change to the newer style from your older Datejust 41, we have a trade form on our website. Simply click it, send us some pictures of your old watch, and you could trade it in for this nicer 36 millimeter. Okay, I'm going to try them both on. You can take a look for yourself, see what you think. This is the Datejust 41 on my wrist. And this is the Datejust 36 on my wrist. What do you think? Think you want to trade toward the skinnier one? Or you like this fatter one? Check us out at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.